Good morning. I'm going to make a little video to show you how to use the removal tool. So we go over here on the left side in the toolbar and select our object remover. And up here at the top are the icons that shows what each one of these things are. And what I want to do is to select something like this top portion of the lilacs. So I have to click this with my left mouse, and I'm going to go around this portion and let my mouse go. It is now selected. I have to find something to fill this area with, so I go next to it to the source mode, select background pattern to replace the object, and I click on that, and down here this box appears. So what I need to do with this is to find a spot, and I'm going to make it small, and it's only in the black area. And that's what I'm going to replace these lilacs with, is black. So we only want this and not this. In order to apply this to flood fill that, we go up here to the apply check button and we hit apply. And as you can see, it's gone. Down here at the bottom, it tells you what to do. And this is how I learned, just by reading down here and messing around with these up here. So I'm going to hit Control D to deselect, but we still have a little bit of lilac left. So let's just go around it and select it, let our mouse go, and we go back up here to our source mode for the replace object, and it's already there. So all we have to do is left click on the apply again, and now that's gone. So we hit Control D to deselect, and what I wanted gone is now gone. And it's just as simple as that.